Guys, I literally just sneezed about 6 times. I told you. But do you want to see this again? This last time I did this a lot. Are you guys on my ears?
By tracing our history on Ancestry, I found the one person who still had it. Now, I'm brewing our legacy back to life. I'm David Keem, and this is my Ancestry story. Now, with 100 million stories, find your story. Get started free at Ancestry.com. For more taste, fewer calories, and half the cost.
I sneezed like 4 times that time. So, yep, that was like literally me sneezing a lot. I want you guys to see something that I never showed you guys. I'm gonna tell you this. I am extremely crazy if I lose these earrings. Just trying to tell you that. Alright, Duke's game. Love you. Bye.